In a mixture of A and B having a vapor pressure of pure A and pure B are 400 torr and 600 torr, which is basically 400 mm of mercury and 600 mm of mercury. Mole fraction of B in liquid phase is 0.5. Calculate the total vapor pressure and mole fraction of A and B in vapor phase. So in this question we have basically all the values and we have to put it in the formula itself and we will have our answers. So for the liquid phase, we calculate the total pressure. That is, we multiply the individual vapor pressure into the mole fraction and add it. So it, zero point 0.5 into 400 plus zero point 0.5 into 600. So it comes out to be 500 mm of mercury. And similarly for the vapor phase, we see that this is the formula given. We just have to put the values because we have PT and other values in the question as well. So the values of mole fraction of A and mole fraction B will come out like this. So that sums up our question.